What are your best life hacks? Here's three of my favorites. These are fun, and here's number one. You're going to use a stud sensor. That's a good idea. Then you mark the wall.
You better not be marking up my wall.
Oh no, bad idea. Here's a much better idea. Dollar store. Not only that, but you can peel them off and stick them back on a few times. Does number two apply to you? When I need to clean something with rubbing alcohol, it just always seems to either pour out a little too much or not enough, but I always seem to be making a mess. Instead of peeling off the top, just poke a hole in the top. A push bin seems to be just about right. Ah, just right. Wait till you see what's number three. Oh my gosh, what is that? What? That? What is it? This? Yeah, what is that? This? It's one of these. Where did it come from? It was stuck on with a piece of tape. So why didn't somebody put it back? Seriously? Seriously. Yeah, you can try to get that back in there, Mr. or Mrs. Superhero, but yeah, I got a way better idea. Quick, go to your junk drawer. You know those silicone wristbands that you won't part with but you don't know what to do with? Perfect fit, durable, lasts until the dinosaurs come back in style. Problem solved. If you're still trying to do this, or this, or even this, boy, do I have a better idea for you. This is called a PVC cutter, also sometimes called pipe cutters, and they're very easy to come by. Right now, they are $9.99 on Amazon, and that's Amazon's choice. For less than $10, this is going to make your life so much easier. Hey, there's a link right in the description if you want to get your own. These things are great. It ratchets. This is 1-inch inside diameter Schedule 40 PVC. But with this ratcheting mechanism, boom, goes right through it, and you don't have all this mess, and you have a nice clean cut here. You know, you're always welcome to share your opinion in the comments section. Have you used any of these techniques? Did they work for you? Do you have another life hack that you'd like to see a video of? Drop a comment for us. If you found this helpful or funny, hit the subscribe button and share it with some friends. Thanks.